You've got to try this amazing banana bread that we made this weekend. First, you're going to add in 3 bananas, then 2 eggs, 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, 2 cups of almond flour, 1/3 cup of tapioca flour, 1½ teaspoons of baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon of sea salt. You're going to mix it all together. Once that's done, you're going to prepare your baking dish. I used coconut oil. Now we're going to make the amazing swirl topping. So I'm going to melt 4 tablespoons of coconut oil, add in 1/2 cup of almond flour, some sea salt, some cinnamon, 1/2 cup of sugar, and we're going to mix that all together. Now we're going to go in with some pecans and get them all nice and chopped up. We're going to add those to our swirl mix, get it all mixed up. Now we're going to start layering. So we're going to layer some of that batter, and then we're going to put some of our swirl topping in the middle, and then we're going to top it off with the rest of that batter, and then finally end it with the swirl topping. Now it's ready to go in the oven at 350 for 15 to 20 minutes. Then we're going to let it cool for a while before we try to pop it out. I highly recommend using parchment paper because it looks a lot easier. It's ready to cut up, and it's time for you to enjoy this amazing banana bread. You've got to try it.